Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. This is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be making you guys a New Orleans style jambalaya in the box. Now don't get it twisted, because old VELDOGGS can make it from scratch too. That's why I got all these other ingredients out here. Okay? So if you guys want to see me make it from scratch, because I don't want to throw this box away, please don't come at me in the comment section. But if you do, just tell me you want me to make it from scratch, alright? Okay, so I'm gonna keep the this chicken broth right here. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep this. I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use some garden onions for the green onions for the toppings. So we don't need the sauce because that's gonna be from scratch. I have a bag of rice over here that I'm not going to use because that's from scratch. I have a bay leaf. I have some garlic. I'll probably use all the rest of this stuff over here. And I have a can of diced tomatoes with some Tony Creole seasoning and the boxes right here. Okay? So that's what we're going to be using today, guys. And I do have the sausage right here. Beef sausage. We're going to fry that up along with our veggies. And go ahead and chop this stuff up and let you guys see what we'll be doing. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just going to go ahead and chop this bell pepper up. Green one. Decided to go with half. We don't need that many bell peppers in this. You make it from scratch, we'll put a lot of them in there for you. A whole one anyway. So we're going to put this in a cup right here. Okay, we're going to do this garlic. Open up the sausage. I like to cut a 1/4 inch. Now if you like a lot of meat in yours, then get you like 2 of these sausages. Or if you want some chicken or whatever with it, you can use that, or some shrimps, or all 3. And of course, if you guys want to use your onion, this would be the time to cut it up when I was cutting up the vegetables. But that's all the vegetables I need in that, okay? Alright guys, I'm going to take you over there and fry up these sausages and these veggies. And we'll get started in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Put a little olive oil in here. just a little bit. Throw these sausages in there. We're just gonna mix these around so they get brown. I'm on medium heat. Put a little Tony's in there, a little bit. We're gonna cook this guy for about a good 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes. Throw our veggies in there. When I do that, I'll be trying to make it even. When I shake it like this, it makes it spread out evenly. And we're gonna need some water. 4½ cups. Hot water, guys. Hot water. Alright, we're gonna mix again. Open up this box of New Orleans style jambalaya. There's a lot of seasoning in there too. I'm gonna pour this in there, guys. That's why I said be mindful on the seasoning when you put it in there, if you're making it from the box. Okay. You may need 2 sausages if you're making two of these boxes. But I'm cool on that. I just don't want to waste the box. And I'm just showing you guys how you can do it with the box, pretty much. For now. Stir that around up in there. Get some of the flavor in this rice. It's going to season up regardless, guys. Don't let nobody tell you you're doing something extra, because you're not. It's going to season up regardless. Alright. At this point, we want to add our diced tomato, juice and all. That's 14.5 ounces. We're going to pour water in here. decided to just go with the water instead of the chicken broth. Cause it might get too potent with the seasoning and stuff like that. So, okay, let me get this bay leaf. What's a bay leaf in there? Which we really still didn't need, but we're gonna put it in there anyway, right? All right, we're gonna let this simmer, guys, for about 25 minutes, and I'll see you guys then in a minute. With the lid on, my bad. All right, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Go ahead and check on this. Like it's done. Yep. Now what we want to do with this, take a tablespoon of butter, mix that up in there. Take this bay leaf out because we don't need it anymore. And we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. Let everything come together. With the lid on. Turn this off. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. I'm done with this New Orleans style jambalaya. This is how it looks, guys. I can hold that plate up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it right there. Let me get me a fork. Okay, guys, I got a fork. I'm going to go ahead and taste this for you guys. Let me let you guys get the first bite. How about that? Here you go, guys. Right there. There you go. Get that bite right there. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and taste this. Good as usual. Super delicious. All we need on this is a little hot sauce and I'm good to go. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Just want to duck down here and let Ray Mac see this shirt right here. Oh yeah, baby boy. I told you I'm riding and die with you. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget. That's right. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out.